Hello, folks. Welcome to the channel where I talk about web, node, and developer related productivity tools. Today, I'm going to talk about VS Code and Git and how I use them effectively to uh, maybe increase my productivity or even to have things sorted, right? If not at all increasing about productivity. Cool. So, as example, suppose I have this project open here in VS Code. Okay, I go to some file. Maybe let's say I go to this file and I add some p tag here, right? I add some lorem here as well, right? And I now want to add and commit this file. So there are two ways I generally go. First is this that I write my whatever commit message is here, right? So most of the time I do commit using VS Code itself. I can simply click on this and it commits. But now I realize that okay, I didn't want to commit that, but maybe I wanted to just stash that, right? So how do I now undo this commit, right? So I have something called as uncommit, right? You can see that this is alias to git reset head tilde 1. That means I am moving my head of my git index by 1. What is head? Head is something that points to your recent commit in the git history. How do you see that, right? For that I use a tool called as TIG. Okay. So when I say TIG, it shows me everything in a graphical format, right? And here you can see that here is my head, the commit which I just did. Now, how do I undo this, right? So let me close this and I can simply say uncommit, right? Now, if I can go here, now my head is at previous commit, right? You can compare the previous thing and this one in the video. Okay. Now, if I do GST is nothing but git status. Okay. Uh, I can see that there is one modified file. I want to now get rid of this. Okay, I don't need it. I did this by accident. I want to get rid of this. I can simply say grs. Okay. Now if I again do GST, there is no change at all, right? The previous modified file is now gone. Okay. This is good. So with very usual English language, I can run my commands, right? Like uncommit or anything. Now let's take another example. Okay, so suppose I uh, add something else here, right? Okay. Now I again commit this. Okay, I say fix and commit. I now realize that okay, I wanted to do some more changes here. I wanted to add one more p here, right? And again some lorem 5, right? I wanted to add this. Then how do I make sure that I'm not doing multiple commits, right? Because if you see here, I already have my old commit in which I have these two lines added, right? These two lines. But I wanted to add the third line. How do I do that, right? So for that, I have something called as recommit. Okay. If I say which recommit, nothing but this. Git commit amend no edit. What does this mean is that you are amending the latest commit without any addition to the commit message. So let me run this recommit, right? Now if I again go into the this commit, now there is a problem. Did you see? Because I didn't add the file, I first need to add the file. and then say recommit. Now, if I again go to take and I see the difference here, I have my third line in the same commit. So without reverting my old commit or even copy pasting the old code, I am able to uh, add my new changes to the old commit, right? Let me now get rid of this. It's as simple as that, right? And commit and grs dot. I have nothing here. As simple as that, right? Now let's take another case where uh, I did one commit. This is my uh, commit. Okay, I did one more commit. Okay, let's fix uh, second commit, right? Now I realize if I go to my take, I can see that okay, there are two commits, but ideally it should have been just one commit, right? How do I do this? So for that, I have another alias called as squash last, and I can pass right now. I can simply come here, delete this word, and I say s. What this means is that I'm squashing the commit. Sorry, not here, but I should say squash here. Okay, and I save. Right now it is combining my two messages. I can delete this, and I here come and say just one commit combining last two commits. Alright, I can save this. Come here, see that both those commits are gone, and I can see the difference that it has the exact same difference as the last two commits. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. I have more of these, and let me know if you would like to see more of such small little tricks that I use. Uh, I will leave the link to this TIG and to all the aliases I use for Git uh, in the description of this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.